Oh, whoops. This entire anabolic taco salad has just 500 calories and about 75 grams of protein. I'm going to show you the exact recipe to make it. It's super quick and simple and only has 5 ingredients. Come on, let's go. This recipe is super quick and simple. The video is going to be over in a very short period of time. Make sure you watch it until the very end. In the past 3 weeks, I've lost 20 pounds just by eating macro-friendly food options like this. So if you need to lose weight or build muscle, these food options are definitely going to be helping you out. Really quickly, before we get into the recipe, do me a favor, drop a like on this video and make sure you save it to your watch later playlist so that you can come back and watch how to make the recipe later if you forget any of the steps. Alright guys, first what I'm going to do is run you through the 5 ingredients we'll be using. I've got 295 grams of cooked chicken breast. I used taco seasoning to cook it up. 1 serving of low-fat cheese, that brand. 20 grams of Doritos sweet chili heat. I'm gonna have a 1/4 cup of this medium salsa from Co-op, a local grocery store here in Canada. And 1 entire bag of this fresh garden salad. Now, I also like to use the Dole salads. They're typically around the same nutrient content. Oh, whoops. Okay, dump that salad into the bowl. Hopefully not all over your counter like I've just done. Good thing it's clean. All right, then the next thing you're gonna do is crush your nacho chips up a little bit. Throw them on there. Then you're going to top it with the cheese. Then we're going to throw that chicken right on top of the cheese. Then we put the salsa on. And it's that simple. Now I've got an entire meal prep playlist on the channel, so make sure you go check it out. If you haven't already, make sure you drop this video a like, and make sure you drop a comment to let me know you're enjoying the recipes, okay? If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. I give you full workouts, I give you travel vlogs, I give you healthy food options, right? Right now I'm prepping for a competition, Men's Physique in Cancun, September 17th of this year, 2022. And basically I'm still eating donuts every single day. So check out my TikTok if you want more information on that. Instagram also has a lot. Whatever you guys platform are on, whatever platform you guys are on the most, feel free to join me there.